So it's been a while since I've had this thing up and running. It runs just fine. I just haven't turned it on. Things happened, life got in the way, and underly motivated to go too far into that creative space because everybody knows the saga of the shop. But I have a print. I wanted to do the review. Hello. No, it's not a megaphone. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. I'm going to show you in a minute, like this. Take two, this time with audio. This all started when I saw this ad for a wonder product, scrolling through Facebook, checking in on friends in the holiday season and all that fun stuff. And this is the ad that I saw. It's for this funnel for a KitchenAid mixer. I thought, great, my wife likes to bake, holiday season, this might make life a little bit easier. And then I saw that it was $25, and I thought, that's a little expensive. Let me look around on the web. I did a search, found some on eBay, and they're $9. I thought, okay, still, these look 3D printed. These look 3D printed. I have a 3D printer. Let me see if I can find, look, 3D print files for various models of KitchenAid mixers. Now, as I state here momentarily, I picked the wrong one to start with, but I picked the right one eventually. So I downloaded this and printed it. I think my cost is less than $1. Took about 4.5 hours, but still. Some say you have a face for radio, but I hate getting pretty for the camera. So, full disclosure, I printed the wrong file. I downloaded the correct file, and I printed the correct file, but they were the wrong file for the model mixer that we had. So I downloaded the correct one, and here it is. Dun 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 dun. I did, one of my concerns with the previous print was the ridges on the inside. So I went in and I changed the smooth settings. Look at that reflection. Still got some tiny little ridges in there. But that's a lot smoother. And we will test fit this momentarily. I did change the settings for it to be much smoother, which should have meant that it went slower. It only took 4.5 hours to print this. It's a little bit shorter than the previous model. I printed it smoother on the inside than the outside, since this is the business side. I've got some fuzz, some hairs in there. Now we'll do a test fit. So here's the test. Look at that fit. Yay! Tighten the screw up. And lower it down. Dun, dun, dun. I think there's a little contact maybe, but we can lock it in place. There's the funnel. Look at that. I will link to the files below. And maybe I'll capture some in-action use of the funnel tomorrow for the baking marathon. All right, now for the moment of truth.
Funnel's working great. It's user error that's spilling stuff.
This makes for riveting television. If anybody's curious, these are lavender shortbread cookies. Okay, so there is some of that may be static adhesion from the plastic. The grooves aren't obvious. Yay, we'll call that success. And her beater worked. Her new spatula bladed beater, silicone bladed beater paddle to wipe the bowl down. Anyway, that's one thing I can mark off my list of things I really didn't need to do during this holiday season. I can get on with the things that I really needed to do. Still wrap presents. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.